traffic back up for a while. We were going like 3 miles an hour. And it's now going like 55, 60. That's why I don't like big cities. Yuki goes to Saguaro. Yuki, what do you say? What do you say? Look, no, don't touch that cactus. Say, I'm in Saguaro, Daddy, I'm in Saguaro. Cool, it's raining. Woohoo! I'm happy. Here's what I've been wanting to see since I've been to the desert. I wanted to see an acatillo that has some green in it. And look, at Saguaro, that's what color they are. Bobby the Desert Walker showed me how to do this. I hope he sees this. There you go. Yuki, 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 don't go too far. Come on, Yuki. Come on, you can leave them alone. Sorry, sorry. Come on, let's go this way. This is one of the gate centers. Come on, come on. There you go. Get up there. Huh? Go on, go on. This is just a trail off the ranger station. It's pretty nice. You can walk around right here like this, and they tell you everything what everything is. I bet you this big one right here is one of the most photographed ones, man. Because look at it. Nice. A very nice walkthrough. It's just very amazing to see all these cactus everywhere. These kind of look like green beans and stuff, but I think these are the ones that they call prickly pear or something. Huh. There's some kind of, I don't know if they're fruits or what on these. Do you see them? There we go, there's some sun on them. Let's see. Come on, you can get out of there. Wow, and these stickers on them, they're like deadly, man. They're like real needles, man. Wow. And they're black needles. Some of them are white, some of them are blacker. Okay. Here's some of the yellow ones. I think they're called Bobo something, I don't know. Starts with a B. Very pretty.